Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vishakha. I hope you all are doing well. So if you're watching me for the very first time, I'll be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon for further notifications. So as you all know, Nykaa Hot Pink sale was going on and I grabbed few of the skincare products from there. Everybody knows that I am a huge fan of skincare products and I enjoy using them. So I have brought today in this video a Nykaa mini skincare haul video. So this is how I have received all my skincare products. So इसी के अंदर सारे skincare products हैं. So one by one I'll show you guys. So let's see what I have. The very first to show you guys. So the very first product which I got is this NEUTROGENA Rapid Wrinkle Repair Night Moisturizer. And the reason why I purchased this particular product is because the brand claims that this is going to work quickly for visible results in just 1 week. So you can see here they are claiming that you can see visible difference in just 1 week. So you can clearly see under my eyes the fine lines and wrinkles. So I'm in my late 20s and I wanted to indulge retinol in my skincare, and to begin with the retinol in your skincare, this is a great product. I have done a quite research on this product, and to begin with a retinol based skincare product, you should start with a mild retinol. This is a very nice product to begin with. That's the reason why I purchased this one. And if you are willing to see a detailed review video on this particular product and you want to know all the ingredients, what are the benefits, और ये मेरी skin पे work किया या नहीं किया, after 1 week of usage I can create a separate dedicated video. So what you have to do is comment down below and I'll make a separate video on this particular product. Next product which I got is this very popular Minimalist Vitamin C 10% plus AG 1% serum. So this is a very popular product out there and I wanted to try it from a very long time. And as I told you that I'm in my late 20s, so I have to indulge all those products which are towards the anti-aging. So this is again, vitamin C is very important if you are looking for an anti-aging products, or if you have dark patches on your skin, then you should indulge vitamin C products in your skincare. So this particular product is fragrance free. It has no silicone, no parabens, no essential oils, no dyes, no sulfate, and it is dermatologically tested. More thing I want to add to this particular product, this is made from stable form of vitamin C, that is 10% ethyl ascorbic acid, which is nearly close to pure vitamin C in molecular weight and size. So next I got this K-Beauty 24-hour lasting transfer proof smudge proof KAJAL, which is enriched with chamomile plus ceramides. So this is again a beautiful kajal. This is what I'm wearing it right now and it glides on super smoothly and it is jet black, एकदम dark black है, जैसा हमें black चाहिए होता है ना, बिल्कुल वैसा black है. This is how it looks. I am seeing myself purchasing this again and again, and let me tell you, this particular product is vegan, cruelty free and paraben free. So I got this Color Bar sunscreen. So this says this is SPF 50 plus, PA 4 plus, UVA and UVB protection it is giving you, and this is a 50 ml product. So it is a physical sunscreen and it says that it is vegan, cruelty free, paraben free, and it is dermatologically tested. So let's see इसका कैसा formula है. And this is a physical sunscreen, let me tell you. तो ये इसमें थोड़ा सा white cast रहेगा, so इसका थोड़ा सा process लगाने का different है. If you will rub it into your skin तो ये एकदम पैची सा हो जाएगा, बट वॉट यू हैव टू डू इज, अगर आप इस तरीके से पैट करके अप्लाई करोगे देन दिस इज गोइंग टू वर्क रियली ग्रेट. So this is what I am using it right now and I found it okay. Next I have repurchased the CETAPHIL moisturizing cream. This is my holy grail moisturizer, whether it is winters or summers or any season it be. This is my holy grail moisturizer. This works best for my skin. This is mentioning that this is all skin type and I am a dry skin type family, so it suits me. It is going to suit sensitive skin, oily skin, every skin type can use. It just depends on the quantity of product you are using it. That's all you have to balance. So next I have this last product. This is from Mamaearth Aloe Vera Gel. So this is made with pure aloe vera and vitamin E, and this is made for skin and hairs, and this is paraben free, silicone free, no added colors, suitable for all skin and hair types. So this is a multi-purpose aloe vera gel, so you can use it on your hairs, on your skin. So this is a multi-purpose thing. I really liked it. So this is my second purchase of this particular product. Next I have two makeup products for you guys. So the first one is this Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation. So this is a beautiful foundation, you guys. If you are a dry skin family, you gotta get this girl. And the brand claims here is it is dermatologically tested, no animal testing is done, it is paraben free, and this comes in around 15 shades, and my shade is Hot Honey 07. So this is my shade, and this costed me around 600 rupees. And let me tell you guys, if you are a dry skin girl, do try this. You are going to love it. So next I have a liquid lipstick from Maybelline New York Super Stay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick. So this is a beautiful lipstick, I must say. This is a peachy nude shade. Let me show you the swatch here. So this is the hand swatch. Let me tell you, this is a transfer proof lipstick. This is not going to transfer at all. Let me show you. Look at this. This is not transferring at all. So if you are looking for a long lasting lipstick, then you can definitely try this particular shade. So the shade here is 210 Versatile. And this was not an offer. I got it for rupees 650. So कोई ऑफर नहीं मिला मुझे, but I really liked it, so I grabbed it. One last thing guys, if you want a detailed review of any of the product which I have shown you guys today, then do write it in the comment section and I'll make a detailed review video of that particular product which you want. And another thing is, all the product links will be in the description box. You can check out my description box for all the links. Yeah, that was it for today, and I hope you all enjoyed watching this Nykaa Hot Pink sale haul. So if you did, then do give a thumbs up, और अगर अभी तक आपने subscribe नहीं किया है, then please go and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.